my beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested reading, love and work forecast for January for Aquarius. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. Make sure to subscribe our channel, like, share, subscribe, join us on Instagram. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And to buy personal readings, visit our website, friends, www.magicwenstarot.com, and make sure to buy your own yearly readings. They are super accurate. If you have booked yours, you will be getting it in 1 or 2 days, and if you are booking yours, please visit our website for bookings. If you want to check out the reviews for the readings, please check our Instagram page, Magic Wens Tarot. Links are in the timestamp. So let's start, Aquarius. Oh my god, 2022. Can you believe it? Where the year went? My god, I'm still like, wow. Seriously, didn't I just do the yearly readings? Like, weren't we doing the October readings? Like, and then like I'm doing these readings. Wow, time flies. So let's see the theme for Aquarius. Ooh, Aquarius. Transformation, Two of Cups, already on a big powerful note. This year is going to be, wow, that's interesting. Lot is happening for you. You got 5 cards for the theme of the year. So the main theme for this year is change, transformation, relationships, Scorpio energy, emotions, love, healing. Big month for you. This is a month where certain changes will be happening. You might be changing, or some changes are happening. This is the month of relationships for you. All sorts of relationships are highlighted, Aquarius, for you. Also, this is a time when, if you are single, you may meet the love of your life, or you may reunite with the lover of your life. The King of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. I do feel this is a month of passion for you. You will feel very passionate, very sure about what you want in your love life. 8 of Cups, yes, I do feel you would be moving forward or recovering from a heartache. I do feel your love life or life is going into a major change, into a positive change. Endings are over and new start is going to happen. Any changes that happen this month, Aquarius, are for your overall growth. It will bring love, it will bring the power, it will bring the leader in you out. I also feel this is a very karmic month for you, Aquarius. It feels like, definitely, like, karma and past life contracts are very high in this January month. Somebody from the past could be returning back to you. Some past soul contracts or somebody from your past life is coming into your life. I also feel past money which was owed to you, which was not, like, money was not coming in, you will be getting that money. This is a very karmic, this is a very destined month for you. This is also like what you give returns back to you. The love you once gave and it was not returned, it is coming this month. And it will start as self-love. I see there will be a lot of self-love. You will also be a very strong leader. I also feel you will be letting some past go, some baggage go, some endings. You are healing that. But love is coming. Love is coming in a very big way. Support is coming. Big changes are coming. You see, you got 5 cards for the theme of the month. Imagine, Aquarius, what will be the month like? It's a powerful month. It starts with a new moon in Capricorn and a full moon in Cancer. So a lot is happening. Venus, Mercury going retrograde. A lot is happening in January. This year is starting on a very crackling note. We will feel like it is already the mid of the year in January itself, friends. So big things are happening, especially on the level of relationships, be it work, be it personal relationships. Big changes are coming. You are going to be a leader. You are not going to settle for anything less. I also feel, please overlook my nasal voice because it's really cold here. It's also raining. Oh my god. But it's lovely. It's really lovely. So yeah. And this is a very destined month for you. What you give comes back. So, what is going to happen in Aquarius love life in the month of January? Okay, let's see. Love life for January, Aquarius, their love life. Oh my god, that's interesting. I don't know what's happening here. Lot of energies, Aquarius. This is going to be a powerful energy month for you. So please remember that it would be hard to maintain the balance. We know that a lot of energy is coming in this month for you. Highly energized, powerful month. So let's see the start of your love life, the first week. The first week, yes, communications are coming. Communications are opening in your love life. The first week of January is all about communications. It is all about taking action. It is all about future. You are definitely, you want to change your love life. You want to take action. Some of you could actually, if you were single, you could start dating or start being more socially active. Also, if you are in a relationship, finally communications are getting back on track. But whatever it is, single or coupled, Aquarius, you are definitely taking action on your love life. You are very focused. You know what you want and you wanna go after it. Ten of Pentacles, yes, family is very important for you. Long term commitment is also very important for you. I also feel some of you could actually be looking for a long term relationship rather than anything casual or flirty. You are definitely, your actions would be guided in a way which invites long term commitments. Some of you could be going for matrimony sites, or some of you are, actually seeing some marriage proposals. Seven of Wands. Yeah, I do feel there is a person who is really defensive of your love. They like you, they love you, they have strong feelings, but they are really defensive about you. Or, this person has been in no contact with you. I feel they will be messaging you in the first week. Yes. Let's see the second week. Wow, the second week is a little tough for you because Mercury is also going retrograde this week for you, Aquarius. And it's your happy birthday. Ooh, yes. January is the birthday time for Aquarius, the end of January, right? Mid of January. So Capricorns and Aquarius. The second week is a little tough because you will be feeling the past again. You will be feeling the past issues. You will be missing somebody from the past, feeling hurt and ache from losing something from the past. I also feel you are ready to change. You are ready to not settle for less. You are ready, like you will not live in the past. You want change and you are committed to changing your love life, and you are really, really very strong. Knight of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important for you. Yes, I do feel somebody from the past, or somebody, an ex could return back, or you might be thinking about this person. I also feel this you will be you're very powerful this month, Aquarius. You are attracting a lot of attention. So I do feel your lover, your ex, your current husband, wife, or your current lover, everyone is obsessed about you. Everybody wants you, and this may actually make you feel a little like, why, what is happening? There is an intense connection happening with somebody from the past, or somebody which you feel is different from you, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. There is an intensity in this connection. There is a lot of this is not an easy connection, but this is an exciting connection for you. The second week is a little tricky, friends, so be careful there. Let's see the third week. Oh, the third week is again celebrations are coming. Some of you could be celebrating a date, celebrating a birthday, or something like that. I also feel you will have to balance your work and career and your love life in this week. A lot of dates, a lot of romantic gateways will happen. But yes, somebody will share their love. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this is a lovey-dovey and very flirty, very nice week for you. The third week is great. It is more emotional, it is more loving, it is more friendly. The second week is the challenge. Let's see the final week. Wow, final week, you are definitely like, you want commitment, you mean business, and you are the authority in your love life, Aquarius. So you want some tough things, like, you want commitment and you will ask. And I also feel there is a relationship which will finally get back on track after a lot of ups and downs for you in January. I do feel you and this person are opposites, or there are times when you guys do not agree on certain things, but that's the charm of this relationship. You guys are different, but you guys are perfect also in some way. Nine of Swords, yeah, this person could be suffering from anxiety, low confidence issues, ego issues, but I feel this person has the power to change and to be your king or a queen. They are willing to go through the they are willing to go through the fire to be your diamond. They want to be this diamond on your ring. So this person is willing. Let's see some advice for you, Aquarius. Then we'll see your work and career. Very interesting week, trust me. Very interesting month itself. Awareness, wow, the magician. And wow, you got 111. So lots of new starts are happening for you. Lots, I think you are going to connect with how powerful you are as a lover and as a manifester, or as a person. You are going to connect with your power, and people are going to notice that you are powerful. Awareness, manifestations, yes, in your love life, Aquarius, listen to your intuition. And if you are manifesting, keep on manifesting. You are on the right path. And I also feel someone wants to change to be with you. Someone wants to be your man. Someone wants to be your princess, your prince, and they are ready to change. The prosperity begins. Yes, I do feel the more passionate you feel for a person, the better that relationship will be. And it positive movement forward. Yes, I do feel you should take up any relationships where there is a lot of future prospects, or where there is easy communications. And that is the advice. Keep moving forward. Do not drag the past in. If you keep dragging the past, it will not work out. But if you think of the future, great things will happen for you, Aquarius. Let's see your work and career now. Accelerated, ooh. Accelerated motion, temptation, material loss, memories of love, sorry, and disruption. Oh my god, very, very intense energies. So friends, you have to, this is a very powerful month for you, Aquarius. Again, I will say this because we every now, air signs, you're gonna feel a lot of things nowadays, because we are in the Aquarius age, and this is the time for you. So everything is going to feel like, more powerful for you, and you will have to accept that. Temptation, yes, this month you will have a lot of temptations. You may, I feel like you may even have a temptation to overwork this entire month, or you may at times overwork and at times feel like not working at all. So you will have to really work hard to balance that in your work and career. I also feel, Aquarius, you will be very tempted to take certain risks in life in this work and career. Like, some of you may suddenly feel like investing a lot of money. Suddenly you may feel like, oh, I should try and take a risk and leave my job and go on a mountain top and meditate, and you are like, yes, let's do it. And then you are like, nope, I don't want to do this. So take a deep breath when you take your any big decisions in your work and career, because yes, you will have a lot of power, a lot of luck with your actions, but you must make wise decisions. You must make wise decisions. You will have a lot of temptation this month in your work and career to overwork, to eat a lot of junk, to not follow a healthy routine, or to be a workaholic, to drink, to smoke. Not like to drink or smoke, but like the stress might get into you. So try and stay and balance your work life. It would be a great help to you, because your love life is definitely highly intense this year, this year. And look at your month, your work life, it is also intense. So please, you will have to work harder, Aquarius. Disruption, the Tower. Yes, if something unexpected may also happen for you, 15 and 16, I do feel something unexpected may happen, like, suddenly a job call may happen, sudden interview calls may happen, a change of plan will happen in your work, career, and studies. So get ready. You will have to be on your toes. You will have to be prepared first, Aquarius. Memories of love, yeah, I do feel some of you may miss the ease and the your pretty sweet life, like cozy little life. Like, you will miss the past years where everything was plain and nothing exciting would happen. This is a month of changes for you. So you will be like, oh, how many changes will happen, how many unexpected things are going to happen in my work and career. I also feel some of you could actually be missing someone you work with, or a colleague, or a boss, or a lover from your work is missing you. Secret admirer is there. Patience and planning, yes, absolutely. That's what I was telling you. This is the month when you need to plan. And this is the month, Aquarius, in your studies, you need to be patient because hurry or risk, impatience will lead to problems. So plan your actions. Let's see some advice for our beautiful Aquarius. Any advice? Ooh, earth and ground. Yeah, you have a lot of energy, Aquarius, this month. So it would be a great idea to connect with Mother Earth, nature, go out and have a walk, meditate, and sacred plan. Yes, your life has a sacred plan. You just don't know. So delays that will happen are part of the plan, and any sudden events that happen are also part of the plan. People coming into your life are also part of the sacred plan. So, woohoo! And listen deeply. Yes, it is time to listen to your heart. It is time to follow your heart. It is time to listen to others. You have a strong energy, Aquarius, and it is time you start following it and listening and honoring it. Let's see anything else. And thank you so much you for everyone who has supported us, friends. Really, I'm telling you, sometimes I feel the algorithm of YouTube is so amazing. We hardly get any views, and it's really demoralizing. But you guys are such beautiful souls. You guys support us so much with such love. It always helps me and keeps me encouraged to do these readings. Otherwise, I'm like, what am I doing? Because the algorithm is like they just don't want to show it to anybody. I don't know what is it's pretty amazing what they are doing with the software, and it's the recent changes only. It wasn't like this in the past. Broken ring, parting ways with somebody either in romance or in business. Yeah, I do feel some of you will be moving out of a relationship, moving out of a home or something like that, and moving into something new. Broken bridge. Yeah, I also feel somebody from the past will be more important to you or will be returning back again this year, this month, warning you of a problem either now or in the future. Yes, I do feel you will have to stay patient because there is this unexpected Saturn Uranian energy in you. Try to remain calm. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Yes, you will have to work harder because lot is happening. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. Yes, you are like a mighty eagle. You will definitely rise above problems. Apple, temptation will test you. Yes, yes, temptations are coming. So it is up to you, friends, what you need to do. Will you be this king or will you just go for the temptation? Take care, enemies are working against you. Yeah, I do feel more than enemies, it is like fears, inner fears working against you. Someone assured, success is assured over good plans and hard work. Your hard work will definitely pay off. Money is coming this month. Handshake, a meeting with a stranger could be important. Yes, I do feel you will meet somebody and that is your life partner or that is somebody very important. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. Yes, you are in the hands of destiny. News is on its way. Good news will come your way. Chair empty, someone is leaving. Yeah, something will change, something will shift. You may leave a job, you may move out of a relationship, or just you may travel or shift or relocate. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Oh my god, please do not take any temptation, Aquarius. Please do not take any temptation. And I know it is tough because Aquarian already are so like they are not tempted. So imagine what would be the level of temptation that will actually tempt you. Because it's not easy to tempt Aquarius into doing something. I am also an Aquarius, ask me. So it would be a very lucrative temptation. You will jump at it. So be careful. Oh my god, I don't know how to say this. Somebody dark haired is important. A woman is important. Horseshoe, good luck is coming your way. Grasshopper, it will be a very strong something. It would be very, very like you would jump at. It would have to be a great level of temptation for Aquarius to jump at it. So it would be a great level of temptation. So it won't be something like, yeah, you can just say brush it off. Grasshopper situation is the balance that require careful planning. Yes, planning is necessary. Be careful, do not take the risk. Again, please do not take any risk this month. And that's it for now, Aquarius. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like, share, subscribe. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.